Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play E minor. So let's get started. Okay, this is the E minor chord. A lot of minor chords kind of have that little dark sound to it as opposed to the major chords. E minor, very easy chord to play, just requires 2 fingers. To play the E minor, you want to place finger number 2 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 directly underneath that on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then play all strings. All strings. That is the E minor chord. I typically use these 2 fingers. Some people could use these 2, finger number 1 and 2, and play that. But I find it's easier to go ahead and use these 2 fingers, because to make the E chord, you just simply place finger number 1 on that 3rd string of the 1st fret, and then you have the E major chord. So by lifting off of your 1st finger, you're automatically playing the E minor chord from E major. So kind of remember that shape there. So again, in review, to make the E minor, you just place finger number 2 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then you want to strum all strings. E minor. Okay, if you'd like to learn other guitar chords, be sure and visit my playlist in the description below. Also, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. Also, if you're not a current subscriber of my channel, hit the subscription below. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscription so I can easily be found. And you'll also be notified when new videos have been uploaded. So have a great day. God bless you.